people. Today we're making waffles. You probably read the title. Yeah, we all know I'm making waffles. So I don't know why I said I'm making waffles, because we all know that. Because what was I doing? I'm editing this video right now, and like, you probably clicked on this video because you read the video title. So, bowl, done. Paper towel. Dry our mixing bowl. I'm gonna show you guys how to make waffles. Yeah. So, I'm pretty sure I remember the recipe for them. This is how I make waffles every time. So let's just... There we go. I'm gonna leave that tissue thing there. We ready, boys? Okay, let me pick you guys up and bring you to the baking area. There's nowhere to put my recording utensil. Okay, wait. Standing you guys on the oil with the other things. Not. Okay, there. There. Don't look at my ugly cabinet. Well, don't look at my cabinets, okay? Focus on what I'm doing. Hello, welcome to my new baking show. Okay. Yay, queens. Okay. Move aside, people. Okay. We ready. Who there? Flour. We're not eyeballing it. We have some flour. Yeah. Flour. Flour. Okay. Stay open. What was that? I didn't do enough. What do I do here? Wait. Give me a minute. I washed my hands before this, but like, okay, we're gonna have to add a bit more flour. Like, no joke. Why? Okay, I think that's good. Oh no. Flour. Hi, so we're back. The waffle thing is ready. Wait, Mom. I had an idea.
I'm listening.
Guys, I'm gonna show. Okay, we're gonna turn the thing like this, and I'm gonna go a bit downwards. Okay, that works. Do we need to do the pour? Yes. Me pouring waffles, guys. Satisfying, yes. Things. They're satisfying. Oh yes, my arm is waffle. Yes, look at that. You guys, look at the contents of the waffle mixture. Oh, these are gonna be so weird. Child. Then we're gonna do a mukbang after. Me eating waffles that I made. There we go. So hi, it's me. Yeah, we know that. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye, bye. And just in case you didn't see it. is what it looks like anyways.